set as limited. Take an auto. So today we're repairing the hinges on a Lenovo transformer laptop. So we already took it apart, which you have the screen over here, and we have the main board and the housing here, which the housing is cracked. And you know, the gold thing that the screws go in, they are loose. So in repairing the housing, and now this is the finished product, which, as you can see, the hinges are properly lined now, so the screen not breaking off. You can open and close as many times as possible, right? So here I take an auto. We do the job to suit the customer, and we also do the job to suit us.